Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, November 2nd. I'm Jim Weatherup, Chairman of the Oswego County Legislature. To start, the number of new COVID-19 positive cases reported this week has decreased slightly compared to the last several weeks. That is a step in the right direction. Unfortunately, I'm sorry to report that we're still losing neighbors to this disease. Every death is a setback in our efforts to fight COVID-19, and our deepest condolences go out to the loved ones of these people. The COVID-19 virus is still active in our county, and according to the CDC, our community transmission level remains high. This puts those who are not vaccinated or not fully vaccinated at a higher risk of contracting the disease and developing severe cases. The number of vaccinations continue to increase, albeit slowly. Just 55.5% of residents are now fully vaccinated, and we can do better than that. If you're eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine, but not yet vaccinated, I urge you to get your shot. The vaccine will protect you, your family, and your neighbors. Get vaccinated today and help us protect our communities for the future. We have another clinic scheduled for tomorrow, November 3rd, at the Nick Stereo Public Health Clinic, 70 Bunner Street in Oswego. From 1 to 5:30 p.m., health staff will administer your choice of the Pfizer, Moderna, or Johnson & Johnson vaccines. Booster vaccines for the Pfizer and Johnson & Johnson vaccines are also available at the clinic tomorrow, but will require an appointment. Moderna boosters will have a separate clinic at that location on Monday, November 8th from 2 to 5 p.m. An appointment is required for that as well. For details, go to health.oswegocounty.com and click on the link for local information about the COVID-19 vaccination. You can also call the Health Department's COVID-19 hotline at 315-349-3330. Phone lines are open from 8:30 to 4, Monday through Friday, and 9 to 1 on Saturday and Sundays. Those age 60 and over who need help making an appointment for their COVID-19 vaccination or booster shot can call the Oswego County Office for the Aging weekdays at 315-349-3484. Veterans Day is next week, and I want to take this time to say thank you to the thousands of veterans living in Oswego County. We're grateful for your sacrifice and service to this great country of ours. Veterans contribute to our society in many ways, and not just during their time in active duty. They take the lessons they've learned and the experiences they've had, and they use that knowledge to make our world a better place. Some have gone on to become important leaders in business, education, healthcare, and more, and many continue to serve as the most active volunteers we have, doing all they can to help our residents and improve our communities. In return, our County Veterans Service Office strives to provide the best care and service to our veterans and their families. Staff can help direct veterans on how to obtain ID cards, military and medical records, and assist them with processing paperwork and applying for other services and benefits. Unfortunately, the agency has experienced some intermittent availability due to recent staffing changes. We're working to mitigate the situation. Just last month, the legislature voted to approve the appointment of Matias Garcia as the acting director for the agency pending a search for a permanent replacement. New and established veterans can request an appointment for services by calling 315-591-9100 from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. weekdays. They can also email the agency at veterans@oswegocounty.com. These are challenging times we're in, and we want to show our veterans the support they deserve. Take a moment, thank a veteran in your life, whether it's a spouse, parent, child, friend, or neighbor. They have fought for and earned our respect and gratitude. A great way to show your support is to come out to the Veterans Park on South 1st Street, across from City Hall in Fulton, on Veterans Day, November 11th. The Fulton Veterans Council will host an honor ceremony at 11 a.m. That's this week's Tourism Tip of the Week to celebrate our veterans. Coffee and donuts will be served at Fulton City Hall at 10 a.m. The council will host a complimentary luncheon at the VFW post number 569, 216 Cayuga Street, Fulton, immediately after the ceremony. Stay safe and healthy, and thank you for doing your part to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. If you haven't been vaccinated, now is the time. Call the COVID-19 hotline at 315-349-3330 for details.